Hello everyone, welcome to CNAPS AI. Today we will work on generative upscaling. First we need to upload our image, and for that we need image loader node. So let's add image loader node in the canvas. So we have image loader node in the canvas. Next thing we need is upscaler model. So these are the 4 upscaler models, and we will use PISASR model to upscale our image. So let's connect the image loader node and upscale a model, and now we need image viewer node to get the output. So let's extend this edge, and here is our image we will node to get the output. Now I will set the upscaling ratio to 4. And I will also add image comparison node to compare the original image and upscale image. So here is our image comparison nodes. Now let's connect the original image from image loader node and output from the upscaler model. Okay, they are connected. Now let's upload the image that we want to upscale. Okay, now it's uploaded. Now let's run the workflow. It will take some time. So we have our upscaled image. And let's compare them. On the left side we have original image, and on the right side we have our upscaled image. Look at the details. It is added into our upscaled image. On the left side, our original image. And this is upscaled image. You can see the difference. Now delete all these nodes. And we can also use the output from our image edit or image generation model to act as an input in our upscaler model. So let's add image generation model. And I will use Z Image Turbo to generate the image. And after that, I will connect it to an upscaler model. And then we'll connect it to image comparison nodes to compare the original and final output. And let's connect the output from image generation model to image upscaler model and extend this edge to get the output. So here is our image viewer node. And I will add image comparison node to compare the images. Let's connect the output from image generation model, and now from upscaler model. And I'll set the upscaling ratio to 4. Let's type the prompt. I will use a very simple prompt, like a beautiful landscape. That's it, now let's apply it. Now let's run the workflow. So our upscaled image is here. Now let's compare them. You can see the detailing it is added to our image. This is original image, this is upscaled image. These are the various methods that you can use to upscale your image. Thanks for watching.